web design brief. Know web design properly. Hi, I'm Syed Siratullah, front-end web developer, and today I'm showing you what is web design and the web design process. These days, it's quite impossible to find someone who hasn't heard of the web design but use internet. Web design is the process of creating web pages with contents that one visitor can visit with their web browser. Actually, web design is a huge field having multiple areas. Web design can separate it into two parts. One, front end, two, back end. Front end. Front-end web design is the part of web design which you can see and interact with in your browser. I primarily discuss about front-end web designing part, back-end. The back-end part works behind the scene with some server-side script languages like PHP, Ruby, Python, etc. Some basic core skills to do web design: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So, the web design process looks like: create web pages using HTML, make web pages look beautiful using CSS, give functionality to your web pages using JavaScript, and know about JavaScript libraries to make it easier. They work together to make a good website. Good web design means the good relationships between the elements involved and creating a balance between them. The beauty of web design lies on layout. To make a good website, you need a solid foundation. A good layout gives you a good solid foundation. You have to understand and investigate some good possible page components to make a good page layout. Color. The most mysterious part of web design is color selection. You have to choose a set of colors that work well together and express your website's objective. Typography. Typography is an important part of web design. It is dependent on your website's category. If your website is a blog website, then you must select your fonts which are clean and readable. And if your website is about a musical band, then you must select your fonts which are more stylish. Responsive design. Responsive design is now trends in web design sector and very important. It's a process to make a website's optical viewing perfect in a wide range of devices, from desktop computer monitor to mobile phones. So, the overall workflow of web design is: 1. Learn HTML and CSS. 2. Learn to build a layout of web page. 3. Coding for that layout. 4. Learn JavaScript. 5. Learn jQuery. It's a JavaScript libraries. Tips: select a better code editor to increase your productivity. It's one of the most important decisions for a new web designer. You can code with a plain text editor, but it's not a wise decision. Don't panic. Read my article about best free HTML editor and choose your code editor. Have fun. Just go to www.masterwithsirab.com and you can find a bunch of best free code editors and their features. Thank you for watching my video.